Welcome to Orlando Wetlands Park.
That was scary. There was an alligator right there.
We just loaded up the bikes and we're taking them to the Orlando Wetland Park.
Figuring out how to spell Orlando Wetlands Park.
There it is. See it? Came up on the top? Touch that.
This wetlands is man-made and for a very good reason. When you turn on a faucet or take a bath or use any source of water, the water comes out from your house into the sewer line. After it's done in the sewer line, it comes to here, which is the water cleaning plant. After it's done at the cleaning plant, it comes over to the Orlando Wetlands Park, and nature cleans it even more. It takes about a month for the water to move through all the wetlands.
These little plants make it cleaner and cleaner as it goes, and it makes a lot of homes for plants and animals. Like the Florida soft-shell turtle, or alligators, shrimp, or snakes. He's alive.
You like alligators?
No, I don't like alligators.
Oh, he heard you. He heard you say that.
Whoa, did he just do that?
He was hissing like this.
So on Fridays and Saturdays, they offer tram tours that go all the way around the property on a golf cart. So it's really fun to be able to hop on one, get a shaded, breezy tour of the whole park. And the tour guides are volunteers and they're fabulous.
Right, here we go. City of Orlando has a plant called Iron Bridge on the edge of Orlando, and that was it. That was what they had. And when the water was just discharged into the rivers, a lot of algae grew, and they realized they had to solve it. So some genius created this. It was the first in the country, and they weren't sure if it would work, and it has worked beautifully. The water comes in at one corner, splits into 3 streams, and slowly seeps through all these ponds.
It's an alligator.
The plants in the pond take the nitrogen and the phosphorus out of the water and really clean it.
That was scary. There was an alligator right there.
We forgot the seat that goes on Eleanor's trailer, so we're trying to make
Come up with a solution?
Yeah, with a knee pad.
So far
and
we've got knee pads and a
truck scrubber.
truck scrubber.
thing
I'm
that
gonna
we
get some
use.
zip ties, maybe some duct tape, see what we can come up with.
Problem solved.
We're setting off on bikes to explore, and you can ride around all these little ponds.
See you later, alligator. Hope you enjoyed this video. Bye.